Hi guys, in this tutorial we will create a reactive form with nested form group in Angular application. Let's get started. Working with form in Angular application, we need to import form module. Import forms module and also import reactive forms module. Okay. Now add these two module in imports array. Okay. Now create a new component in our Angular application with this command ng g c for components and enter the name of component, this case my form. Okay. Okay, navigate to my form and open my form.component.ts file and copy this selector and also open app.component.html. Now add here this selector. Okay, now start the server with this command ng serve. Okay, now open my form.component.ts file and define a form instance, my form of type form group. Okay, import form group in the top of the component. Okay, now create a form, reactive form. Okay, we can get help from this official documentation. At first create a form, okay, with form group and form control. Inside ng on init method, okay, change the form name. Okay, now import form control from Angular Forms. Okay, this dot my form. Okay, okay, now create a form in component template. Okay, use form tag inside a div. Okay, add the form group here, form group, form group name is my form. Okay, Now add to input field, and also okay, here form group name is address. Take a look at this form instance here. This is the two form control, and addresses is the form group. Inside this form group there are four form control. Okay, now save this file and also save this template. Okay, okay, this is our reactive forms. Okay, now move the input field inside paragraph tag. Okay, okay, now the form is looking nice. Now use ng on submit to call a callback method to send the form data. Okay, ng submit, and then call a callback method, name it on submit. Okay, now implement the on submit method inside the component. Okay, just print the submitted form data in console. So use console dot log. Okay, put the variable form instance variable. Okay, and print the form value. Okay, now add a button of type submit. Okay, now enter the button name submit. Okay, now enter the form data, my first name, second name, state, city, Okay, now hit on the submit button and see the submitted form data with form group with nested form group address. Okay, we can update the nested form input partially. So we have to define a function and name it update partial. Okay, and this dot my form dot patch value. Now add the form control which you want to update partially. Here we want to update the city. Okay, add the value. Okay, now save this file and go to component template and add a button and also generate click event and then call update partial method. Okay, now save this file and test the form. Okay, now click on update. Now save this file and test the form. Okay, update and you will see the form nested group input element city has been updated. Now click on submit and you will see form submitted with partially updated input element. Okay, we can generate nested form group using form builder service. So working with form builder, we have to import form builder. Okay, now inject form builder service inside constructor. Okay, now refactor our code. This dot fb group and also update this line. Okay, okay, save this file. Now reload and test the form. Okay. Okay. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.